Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Life is more fun if you play games. With this quote, I would like to say that you children must spend some time of the day in playing some games that will make your mind and body reactive. So, today we are going to learn the first poem of your lesson, Run. So, are you all ready to sing along with me? Yes? Shall we start? Yes. Here we go. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Away from the city and into the sun. Out to the country. Run, run, run. Come on, children, sing along with me. Away from the city and into the sun. Out to the country. Run, run, run. Run in the raindrops. Run neath the trees. Run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. Very good. So here we have come to the end of the poem. Now let's see what is the poetess trying to say through this poem. Yes. So the poem is Run is written by Mary Daunt. So here in the first stanza, the poetess is talking about running away from the city and going out in the sun. So now here is a picture where you can see small children playing around in the out in the sun in a village. So here in the first stanza, the poet is talking about going out in the sun and playing out to the country. So country means in the countryside near the village. So running away from the city, far away from the city, going into some village kind of place, and in the sun she wants the children to play. Okay, this is what the poet is trying to say in the first stanza. Now, coming to the second stanza, run in the raindrops, run neath the trees. So, here the poet is talking that the children must run in the raindrops. So, do you all like to play in the rain? Yes, yes, we all love to play in the rain. So, the poet is talking to just go out in the rain and play. Run neath the trees. So wherever there are trees, under the trees we all play. Whenever we're playing outside, in the villages especially, you can see lot of trees all around. So under the trees, the poet is talking to, asking us to play. Next, run little races. So here, little races, it is talking about small children. So races means whatever family we are, whatever races we are different. Each one of us are different from each other. So though we are different, we all must together play in a same place with each little breeze. So in the beautiful under the trees, we will have lot of breeze, of course. So we have to play there. It is talk. She is saying us. In the third stanza, it is saying, run down the hillside. So here the poet is telling us, so under the, down near the hillside, wherever there is hill, near there we can play, or run up the lane. So lane means streets. So we can go up and down of the roads. Then through the meadow. So here meadow, the meaning of meadow is ground. Okay, the play area. So here again the poetess is telling us to say that we have to play in the ground together with our friends. Then run back again. So after the play is over, we can go back to our places. Run and be merry all through the day. So in the last stanza, the fourth stanza, the poetess is trying us to say that whole day we can play and be very happy. So merry means being happy. So whenever we are running and playing with our friends, we will always be very happy. Run to the country, away, away. So here again it is saying run to the country. So from the cities we have to run to the country and we have to enjoy how the play is, the actual play of the life. So only when you go to the villages, to the interior parts of the country, you can see the beauty and enjoy there and have a peaceful life. Okay, so here in the picture also you can see how the children, the atmosphere, how the children are playing around the trees, they are running, they are enjoying. And this is a village. You can make out that this is a village. So how you can make this is a village? You can see huts there, here and there in the picture, and you can see a cow yard. It has been pulled by the cows there. So see how the children are so happy there, playing around in the hot sun. Even though it is hot, they are enjoying the whole day, playing around in the ground, in the meadows. So with this we have come to the end of the poem. I hope you all enjoyed this poem, and you too will be singing whole day this poem. Yes, children? Yes, very good. Okay, take care. Bye. Thank you.